Here's your weather briefing for Sunday, March the 3rd, 2013, as we take a look out at a bright sunny horizon. Lots of sunshine out there through the morning and midday period, some scattered clouds through the afternoon, but very pleasant weather in store for southern Michigan for today. We'll be a little on the cold side, though, for the season. Temperatures expected right around 30 degrees or so for daytime highs. And over the next couple of days, we look for very similar conditions, although a storm system off to the northwest will be watched for the possibility of a little bit of light snow or snow shower action as it gets closer to us during the day on Tuesday. Here's the forecast projection for the high temperatures for southern Michigan for the next 24 hours. And we see upper 20s to near 30 degrees, the best we're going to do. And those temperatures are definitely below average for this point in the winter season. And over the next couple of days, we'll see a little bit of moderation in temperatures, but not a whole lot. It's going to stay on the chilly side, highs in the 30s for tomorrow and Tuesday. The morning satellite map showing some high cloud cover overhead, but definitely not the dense cloudiness that's back across Wisconsin and the western portions of Illinois, or the cloud cover that was over us yesterday that has drifted off to the east. We're in a bit of a drier slot there, and a little less cloudiness, a little more in the way of sunshine for today. Off to the distant west, the blue area. That's the next batch of snow and winter precipitation that's headed toward the Ohio Valley and potentially a little bit here in southern Michigan too, although it looks as though the bulk of it's going to stay far enough south to not give us much trouble. This look at one of the computer models that forecasts the precipitation for us for the next few days. You can see it developing off to the west. The Dakotas and Minnesota has the bulk of the moisture at this point in time. And as these maps start to drift a little bit further, this map starts tomorrow morning, and gradually through time, we see that storm system taking shape. It kind of regroups itself over Iowa and further south, and that's where we're watching it to track. And as a result, you can see Michigan pretty much precipitation free, although this is a projected forecast, and there are a couple of different versions of this that vary a little bit, so the possibility that we'll get some snow showers in here does continue, but it looks as though for the most part, southern Michigan is on the drier side, and the wet weather stays across Indiana and Ohio. An indication of things to come, just to share a really quick glimpse at the end of the week weather. Looks as though we'll be back in the sunshine, and this digital forecast plot, the computer is looking at Friday, and by Friday, temperatures into the lower to mid 40s range across southern Michigan. So the cold air that's here now is going to gradually warm up a little bit, and we'll get back to more seasonal readings by the time we get to the end of the week. So recapping the forecast for today, we're looking at partly sunny weather to linger right on through the day, and the temperatures on the cold side, upper 20s to near 30 degrees is all we get for a high. It'll be dry on Monday, and then the potential for a little bit of light snow in here Tuesday into Tuesday night, but that'll get out of the way on Wednesday, and it's dry weather and sunshine, and some warming of temperatures toward the end of the week. That's your weather briefing for Sunday, March the 3rd, 2013. Thanks for checking in, and make it a great day.